welcome back to the channel. This is my International 966 that I bought. Y'all saw that in the last video at the end, if you watched till the end. Draining the fuel out of it. Daddy's taking some stuff off of it. We're getting ready to split it. I mentioned the IPTO shaft, which is this thing right here, that goes into the pressure plate, and the clutch is stripped out, and the splines in the pressure plate is stripped out. The outcome of that is there is no hydraulics, so we're going to fix that. We're going to split it and then do some other things to it. Yep, that's what we're doing.
Every morning for the crack of dawn, wife and the kids sound asleep at home, drinking no coffee left over from the day before. Never thought his life would go like this. He does what he can just to feed them kids, and he prays someday he'll give them more. Still he loads up his truck and backs on down the drive. He don't kick the headlights off till he's halfway through the ride. There he goes, it's a working man, trying to make a living any way he can. He'll break his back for $1 or $2. Oh, there ain't no shame in what he do. He's putting in sweat, blood and tears, cranking that wrench for 13 years, waiting on pay after closing time. And he wipes that grease running down his face, puts everything back in its right place. Then he sees one more pulling in the line. So he fires up the shop and waves that old boy in. Can't leave him hanging, looking like another long night again. There he goes, it's a working man, just trying to make a living any way he can. And he'll break his back for $1 or $2. Oh, there ain't no shame in what he do. Oh, work it out. You can go down working, man. There he goes, it's a working man.
There he goes, it's a working man.
God bless that working man. There he goes, it's a working man.
There he goes, it's a working man.
God bless that working man. There he goes, it's a working man, just trying to make a living any way he can. And he'll break his back for $1 or $2. Oh, there ain't no shame in what he do. And there ain't no shame, and there ain't no shame in what he do. God bless that working, oh, that working man.
It's a part. That in there is some of what it's supposed to look like. This is why you take extra good care of your PTO implements. And the rear engine seal's leaking. And them seals is leaking. Yep. All this will be new when we get done with it. Now let's see what that looks like. Well everybody, my camera died yesterday, but I'm going to show you the clutch. It didn't have much life left in it. Pressure plates deeply grooved. 4-pad clutch disc. I showed you where that was busted out in the center. We got the flywheel pulled off. We're going to have to get it turned and everything. And then there's the front of the TA. I don't know if it's supposed to have play like that. Y'all go down in the comments and tell me if it's supposed to have play like that. We're getting a new throat bearing. That's the IPTO shaft. We got a new one of those right here. But the throat bearing linkages, this piece and this piece were wore pretty bad, so we ordered them. The parts are supposed to come in this week, so next weekend we'll put this dude back together and it should be ready to rock and roll. Anyway, so appreciate y'all for watching. We'll get this dude put back together next weekend and I'll bring y'all along for that. But yep, I'm glad to have me a tractor. Thank all y'all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.